Hi, everybody. Happy week 31 already of school. This week, make sure that you're continuing to do your calendar activities. A reminder, you will only have 3 weeks after the due date to turn in an assignment. After those 3 weeks are up, your opportunity to turn stuff in is done. So the first one for this quarter is coming to an end. So if you have not turned in the one from the first week of the quarter, which was week 29, make sure that you get that one turned in before you can't anymore. Okay, so just a reminder with that. The secret code for this week, okay? As you can see behind me, oops, I gotta go this way. As you can see behind me, we have our survey of the week. What I want your secret code to be for this video, for this week, for the calendar reflection, is I want you to tell me what you think I should do for a weekly survey. Like, what category should I do? Should I do like places people can travel to? Should I do people's favorite movie genres? Should I do people's favorite thing to do at their house? What should I do? So just try and come up with a category that students could use as the weekly survey. So that's going to be the secret code for this week. And again, you only have 3 weeks to turn in those calendar activity reflections. So make sure you're staying on top of those as well. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.